Welcome to Dr. Health Hub, where every episode begins with a doctor's tip you can trust. Here, you'll find clear, reliable, and practical health education you can use in everyday life. We take complex medical knowledge from the CDC, WHO, UpToDate, and OnBoss, and explain it in simple, everyday language that makes sense. On this channel, you'll learn about common health conditions, their causes and symptoms, short treatment advice, and prevention strategies you can apply right away. From dengue fever to influenza to diabetes, vitamin deficiencies, and women's health, we guide you step by step with compassion, clarity, and professionalism. Because health education should never be complicated, it should be helpful, simple, and trustworthy. Subscribe today to Dr. Health Hub and join a growing community that believes your health is your wealth. Start your healthy journey with a doctor's tip you can trust.